Hey you, what's up mga pre? This is Joy Masoy TV. I'm gonna show you or tell you about tips for troubleshooting amplifier. Reminder mga pre, this is a full guide how to track easily the cause of problems of your amplifiers. Kung hindi nyo to masundan, that's not my fault.
Nakakahiya kasi.
But before to start mga pre, I'm just wanna tell you that I am Filipino. So that's why my English is very poor. But who knows, someday it becomes rich. This is an amplifier, or we call this an integrated amplifier. I use this kind of amplifier because this is very common in the market. That's why very common also in your electronic shop. And if you are troubleshooting amplifier, you do this first. Visual check the unit like bloated capacitor, rusty components, cold solder, blown fuse, or maybe the component was burned. Secondly, you do an voltage check in your amplifier. This is very important. So much better you practice this and you don't forget safety first before doing this kind of troubleshooting. Just make sure mga pre, all voltages was present. Check the power supply from the transformer to bridge diode to the main filter capacitor. And also check the voltage supply all sections of amplifier. The supply in main driver board of amplifier, in the power output, the release section, in the preamp section. The third is check and test one by one. Before you do this, what I mean, you just separate the all sections of amplifier, like the main driver amplifier section, the power output section, the release section, and the last, the preamp section. First, test and check the driver board section. Check the power supply, the biasing. If it is good, you proceed to the another section.
A few moments later.
Before to proceed the last part of this video, I just want to put a shout out. Shout out to Ricky Anonymous, GT Rewinding, DB Noitic Vlog, and Surik Surik TV. So we proceed. Second, you just use multimeter to test the power output of the amplifier. If it is all good, you just put together back with the driver main amplifier. Next, if you have done to check the main amplifier, you just proceed to the pre-amplifier section. You do the same procedure. Thank you.